So we're here at Lequena. We are presenting a information day and a workshop on foot and mouth disease.
The time is so sensitive because there's a lot of things happening with F&D. We're probably at the peak of an outbreak, having the risk of becoming endemic, and it's so crucial for us to prevent that, or at least plan around that to again get back to free status in the near future. And yeah, at the end of the day, we need to sit together and we need to do this.
The average loss just in those deductions from the milk buys, 675,000 rands per farm. And then they calculated how much milk production that they lose compared to what their projections were before the outbreak. Almost 2.6 million per farm.
It's absolutely essential that we all share all our knowledge and all what we do, that we are totally open to each other. We have a common problem between farmers, veterinarians, buffalo farmers, the state vets. Everyone shares the problem of foot and mouth disease at the moment in the livestock industry or in the agricultural sector. And it's absolutely essential that we all work together so that we can combat this and we see who can contribute what. And we must all combine it into a common solution so that we stop addressing the problems, we must address solutions.
We've had farmers in several areas of the country they had outbreaks of brucellosis, outbreaks of corridor disease, because they thought they didn't need to obey these regulations. They could just keep cattle and buffalo together, and it ended up really buggering up the buffalo side of things, because the cattle were infected brucellosis and that spilled over into the buffalo.
Foot and mouth disease does not kill cattle as such. It's busy killing communities. It's busy killing farmers, families on ground level. And I'm here on their behalf. We heard today that none of us can tackle this problem on our own. In the bigger picture, we're a team and we want to be not only just part, but be the leaders like the younger veterinarians like Dr. Bastian Fouchier, who organized this day. It's lovely to see the enthusiasm or changing crises into opportunities. That's what we are here for.
Buffalo Analytics has been around for about 2 years, and in this last 2 years, we've been able to take the little bit of data in buffalo and get a very clear picture on the disease trends within the buffalo. And as a national herd, the buffalo, the clean buffalo, we actually don't have disease problems because it's extremely well controlled. So as a model of good control, good testing, good surveillance, if we can implement this for cattle and have the same sort of good control, we can sort out this problem.
I applaud you and I thank you very much. Have safe drives. And we are here to communicate. Please reach out to us and we will make that information available. Drive safe. Thank you.